Hi everyone, welcome to Chef of Style. My name is Chef Michael. Today I am going to make my second batch of Jamaican BULLA cake. I love BULLA cake. BULLA and pear, BULLA and cheese, BULLA and butter, or even just BULLA by itself. So get your pen, get your paper, and ready for an excited video from Chef of Style. Peace. Now I'm going to dissolve the wet ingredients together. Add the 2 cups of water, 2 cups of sugar, the vanilla, the butter, and the molasses together. You're gonna make the sugar dissolve out into the water. So you can put this on a low heat, let it dissolve out, and then let it cool. Then you're gonna add the dry ingredients together. You're gonna add the baking powder, the baking soda, the salt, and the nutmeg to the flour. So I'm going to show you when I'm going to combine everything together. Now we're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients gradually. Now is the time to get your hand messy. We're going to turn this into a dough. This is how it's going to look. You're going to add flour to it until it turns into a dough. Now you're going to roll it like this, and then you're going to place this into a From my kitchen to your dining table. My name is Chef Michael. See you on another Chef of Style video. Peace.